You've seen the headlines, you've watched stocks like Nvidia absolutely explode, and you're kicking yourself, thinking you've missed the boat on the whole AI revolution. It feels like you're stuck on the sidelines, watching one of the biggest shifts of our lifetime just pass you by. But what if I told you it's not too late? What if there was a simple way to get in the game, not by gambling on one stock, but by investing in the entire AI industry with a single click? In this video, I'm going to show you 5 AI ETFs every beginner should be looking at before 2027 to grab a piece of this massive opportunity. Let's zoom out for a second, because this is bigger than just stocks. It's about a total rewiring of our economy. Research firm PwC has estimated that artificial intelligence could add a mind-bending $15.7 trillion to the global economy by 2030. To put that in perspective, that's more than the current economies of China and India combined. This isn't some sci-fi future, it's happening right now. AI is going from a buzzword to a real force that's changing everything: healthcare, finance, how we live our day-to-day lives. Companies are pouring billions into AI infrastructure, the data centers, the chips, the software, and it's creating a tidal wave of economic activity. The problem? The whole space is complex and moves at lightning speed. For every Nvidia, there are dozens of companies that just won't make it. Trying to pick the individual winners is like searching for a needle in a haystack, and honestly, for most people, it's a losing game. So what's the smart move? This brings us to a classic dilemma. You know you need to be invested in AI, but the fear of picking the wrong horse and losing your hard-earned money is very real. That's where the magic of exchange-traded funds, or ETFs, comes in. Think of it this way. Instead of trying to find the one golden egg, an ETF lets you buy the entire basket. An AI ETF is a single investment that holds stock in dozens, sometimes hundreds of different companies in the AI world. You get the chip makers, the software giants, the robotics innovators, all in one clean package. This is called diversification, and it's your best friend as a new investor. It spreads out your risk. If one company in the fund has a bad quarter, it's cushioned by the dozens of others that are doing well. For a small fee, you get instant, professionally selected exposure to the leaders in AI.
It's the simplest, most effective way for a beginner to get a piece of the action. So now that you know why ETFs are the answer, let's get to the good stuff, the ones you should have on your watch list. ETF number 1. The Hardware King, Vanek Semiconductor ETF, SMH. First up is the Powerhouse, the fund that's all about the picks and shovels of the AI gold rush. The Vanek Semiconductor ETF, ticker SMH, is laser-focused on the chips. AI needs an unbelievable amount of computing power, and that power comes from semiconductors. SMH is basically a greatest hits collection of the chip industry. Its biggest holdings are giants like Nvidia, Taiwan Semiconductor, and Broadcom. This fund has seen explosive performance, with some reporting periods showing gains of over 40–50%. What makes SMH so great for a beginner is its clear focus and low cost. It has a super competitive expense ratio of just 0.35%, which means more of your money is actually working for you. If you believe the demand for AI chips is only going one way, up, then SMH is a direct and powerful way to play that trend. The risk? It's heavily focused on one sector, which can go through cycles. But right now, that cycle is being supercharged by unstoppable AI demand. ETF number 2, the Global Momentum Play, Roundhill Generative AI and Technology ETF, CHAT. Next, we've got CHAT, the new pit on the block that has been making some serious waves. Launched in 2023, CHAT hones in on generative AI, the tech behind tools like ChatGPT that is completely changing the game. What makes CHAT different is its global strategy and incredible recent momentum. It holds the US giants you'd expect, like Google, Microsoft, and Nvidia, but it also gives you a piece of key international players in the AI supply chain, like Asian semiconductor firms. That global diversification has been a winning formula. The performance really speaks for itself. The fund has posted stunning one-year returns, with some accounts showing it up over 80%. It's actively managed, meaning the managers can pivot quickly as new breakthroughs happen in the AI space. The expense ratio is higher at 0.75%, which is pretty standard for an actively managed fund like this. For anyone looking to invest in the absolute cutting edge of the AI boom, Chat is a compelling choice that has proven it can catch momentum. All right, we're 2 funds in. I hope you're already seeing how you can build an AI portfolio without the headache of stock picking.
If you're getting some value out of this, do me a quick favor and hit that subscribe button. It really helps the channel out and makes sure you don't miss future guides to help you build your wealth. ETF number 3, the high-risk, high-reward rocket, ARK Autonomous Technology and Robotics ETF, or ARKQ. Our third pick is for those of you with a bit more appetite for risk and a love for game-changing tech. The ARK Autonomous Technology and Robotics ETF, or ARKQ, is run by the famous and sometimes controversial Cathie Wood. This is not your slow and steady ETF. ARKQ is actively managed and makes big, concentrated bets on companies it believes are leading the charge in self-driving tech and robotics. Its top holdings have famously included disruptors like Tesla and UPath. This strategy means one thing: volatility. When ARKQ's bets are right, they can pay off in a huge way. But when the market turns on these high-growth, often not yet profitable companies, the fund can drop just as fast. The expense ratio is 0.75%. ARKQ is not for the faint of heart, but if you want to add a high-growth satellite to your portfolio and you believe in ARK's vision, this fund has explosive potential. ETF number 4, the broad and steady performer, Global X Artificial Intelligence and Technology ETF, or AIQ. If ARKU is the high-octane rocket, think of AIQ as the reliable long-haul jetliner. The Global X Artificial Intelligence and Technology ETF, ticker AIQ, is one of the biggest and most established AI ETFs out there. AIQ gives you broad, diversified exposure to the entire AI ecosystem. It holds over 80 companies across the globe involved in everything from AI software to the hardware that powers it. You'll find a solid mix of household names like Amazon, Meta, and NVIDIA in its portfolio. While its recent performance might seem a bit calmer compared to the pure hardware funds, its long-term track record is solid. It works perfectly as a core holding for an AI-focused portfolio. With an expense ratio of 0.68%, it's a great one-stop shop to invest in the broader AI trend without putting all your eggs in one specific basket. This one is less about chasing the hottest trend and more about a long-term belief in the AI revolution. ETF number 5, the original innovator, ROBO Global Robotics and Automation ETF, or ROBO. Finally, we have the OG, the one that basically started it all. ROBO was one of the very first ETFs to focus on this theme, launching way back in 2013. Just like its name says, the ROBO Global Robotics and Automation ETF is all about the physical side of AI, the robots, the automation, and the machines that are changing manufacturing, healthcare, and logistics. Its holdings include fascinating companies like Intuitive Surgical, famous for its robotic surgery systems, along with other leaders in industrial automation. It might not have the flashy generative AI hype, but the robotics revolution is a powerful long-term trend that's quietly transforming our world. ROBO gives you true global diversification and a focus on a different part of the AI value chain, making it a great addition to a portfolio that might already be heavy on software or chips. Its expense ratio is the highest on our list at 0.95%, which reflects its specialized custom index. ROBO is for the investor who wants a steady, diversified way to play the real-world application of AI and automation. Okay, we've just covered 5 awesome ETFs, but how do you actually use them? Please don't just go and dump all your money into one. The secret is building a smart, balanced portfolio. Here's a simple way to think about it: the core and satellite approach. Your core is the stable center of your investment universe. This should be a broad, low-cost market index fund, like one that tracks the S&P 500. Your satellites are where these AI ETFs come in. They are smaller, targeted bets on high-growth themes you believe in. A good rule of thumb for beginners is to put no more than 5 to 10% of your total portfolio into thematic investments like AI. And you can even diversify within that small slice. For example, you could put a bigger chunk in a broad fund like ARKQ as your AI core, then add smaller satellite positions in SMH for that hardware momentum, and maybe a tiny speculative bit in ARKQ for that moonshot potential. The AI revolution is here, and it's one of the single biggest opportunities for investors in our lifetime. It's easy to feel like you've missed the first wave, but believe me, it is not too late to get in the water. By using simple, powerful tools like the ETFs we've talked about today, from the hardware-focused SMH and the global momentum of chat to the high-risk ARKQ, the steady AIQ, and the original ROBO, you can build a diversified portfolio that gives you a real stake in this incredible transformation. You don't need to be a stock-picking genius, you just need a plan. You can take control of your financial future and be a part of this change, not just a spectator watching from the sidelines. What are your favorite AI ETFs? Did I miss any big ones? Drop them in the comments below. I'd love to hear from you. And if you're ready to keep your investing journey going, check out my other video on building a complete beginner's portfolio. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.